Hi everyone, so this is Janak and welcome back with a new video. So today I'm unboxing such a nice product from the Canon. So this is a new product from the Canon Powershoot V10. This is a vlogging camera. So if you are a vlogger, this is one of the good options. So let's do the unboxing and let's see what comes inside. So let's open the box and let's see what comes inside. So once you open the box, let's see. So you will see a Canon Powershoot V10 cameras, which is with 3 different accessories. This is a pouch from the Small Ring. Small Ring is really good brand. They're making such a nice accessories for the cameras. So I have the pouch that for the Canon V10. Also I have a lens protector, lens cover for Canon PowerVision. So this is a lens cover, and if you can see, so I have a windscreen as well for the Canon Powershoot V10. So this all comes inside for a free, so you don't need to buy any other accessories. And this is our nice product. So this is the product, Canon Powershoot V10. Alright, so let's open the packaging for Canon Powershoot V10 and let's see what comes inside. Alright, so this is the Canon Powershoot V10. Such a nice camera, compact camera, and completely new designs from the Canon, design specially made it for the vloggers. So let me start and let's see that how the internal menu will comes. Oops, I think there is no battery. So let me put on the charge. While meantime we gonna unboxing such a nice accessories which is came with the Canon Powershoot V10. So let's do the unboxing for accessories which is came with Canon Powershoot V10. So this is a lens cap for Canon Powershoot V10. So let's open and let's see that how it's gonna look. Alright, so this is the lens cap that you can use it for Canon Powershoot V10 to protect your lens for the camera. And let's open this and let's see what comes inside. So this is a pouch for Canon V10 that you can put the camera inside, and that can protect from the small scratches. Alright, so let's open the last accessories which is came with Canon Powershoot V10. This is for a windscreen. So once you open it, you will see a user manual, and also you will see a attachment as well, the small 2 rings. And let's open this product. Okay, so this is a furry, sorry. So this is a 2 lovely windscreen protector. So like if you shoot the videos or if you're doing vloggings in windy weather outside, so this will protect. Alright, so I charged couple of minutes and let's see now that is gonna turn on or not. So yeah, it's got turn on. So here you will see the menu that you need to select the language the timing and everything. So let me just quickly set up and I'll come back to you. Alright, so let's talk about the specifications for Canon Powershoot V10. So this is a little one coming with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. It's coming with f2.8 and 6.6 mm focal length as well, and 19 mm of wide angle lens, supporting a 4K resolution, which is 4K 30 frames per second. Tiny little stand, so you can place nicely and you can hold the Canon Powershoot V10 wherever you want to keep it. This a tiny little one is coming at 211 grams, which is a very lightweight. It's just a 211 grams weight phone. So this is a powerful 2 stereo microphone, which gives you a clear audio for impressive sound in all directions. Alright, so let's talk about the buttons. So that much button is coming in Canon Powershoot V10. You can see the power on of buttons and everything, that menu buttons and everything that you can do settings from here. If you see on the left hand side, then you will see a USB Type-C port, which is to charge your Canon Powershoot V10. And if you see on the right hand side, then you will see a 2 slot, which is one of them is a 3.5 mm audio jack and one of them is a micro HDMI slot. If you see on bottom, then you will see a micro SD card slot and it's also a tripod holder as well. So let's talk about the screen. So this is a little tiny screen, which is a flippable, and it's a 2-inch of screen size. So when you're doing vloggings on anything, it's look nice and you can see yourself properly in that 2-inch screen size. Also coming with a 14 filter color effect, that which is you can use it on your daily life, so you can make it something different kind of effect while you are vlogging your videos and everything. It's also coming with a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity as well, and you can connect to your Canon camera app, which is easy to pairing. So let's talk about the launching date. So the Canons announced this tiny little one in May 2023 for £399 in UK. Alright, so that was the unboxing for Canon Powershoot V10. Still, I will do a full review. I will take this tiny little one to outside to shoot the videos and to see how the outcomes will come for the video and audio as well. And I will check the battery life as well, that what's the battery life backup will give. So just stay tuned. You will see a second video with a full review and with my opinion that this little one is still worth it in 2025 or not. So that was the unboxing for Canon Powershoot V10. If you have any questions, please put the comments below and I will try to help you and I will try to give you the answer for all of your questions. I hope you will like the video. If you like it, please subscribe the channels to see more videos like this for the future. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you.